guys, welcome back to Quick Math Skills. Today we are going to talk about basic multiplication. This video was brought to you by the Quick Math Skills team. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more and better content.
However, before we start learning about multiplication, first we need you to do a simple activity. So the instructions are already there on the front, and if you can't really read it properly, then I'll just say it. So first, get a paper and a pen. Second, draw 4 circles on the paper. 3, draw 4 dots inside of each circle. And 4, count how many dots are in all. If you cannot keep up with this, then you may pause the video first.
How was the activity? How many dots are in total? If you got 16, then you are right. The activity you just did, believe it or not, is an example of multiplication.
What is multiplication? For those of you who don't really know what multiplication is, here it is. Multiplication is actually nothing more than adding something multiple times, or as we call it, repeated addition. Yes, it's that simple. Believe it or not. In fact, some of you might think that multiplication sounds a little scary, but once you're gonna start learning it, which is right now, you'll find that it's just really easy to do. So here are the parts of a multiplication sentence. For the multiplication sentence is at the bottom of the slide. You can see it, 4 times 4 equals 16. So we'll talk about that in a while. So the first number in a multiplication sentence, it's called the multiplicand. The multiplicand is like the number of circles in our activity. The second number is called the multiplier. The multiplier is just like the number of the dots in each of the circles. And also, the number of dots in all is called a product. Therefore, if you want to convert that activity's results into a multiplication sentence, you can say 4 times 4 equals 16 because there are 4 dots each inside 4 circles, or 4 items in 4 groups, which gives you 16.
So, how do you solve a multiplication problem? Well, there are 4 strategies. The first 3 strategies are interconnected with each other. The first, repeated addition, involves adding the multiplicand the same number of times as the multiplier. For example, 2 times 3 is the same as adding 2 3 times. The second and third involves doing repeat addition, but either counting or doing it mentally. The fourth strategy is visualizing the problem by drawing shapes and symbols to represent the problem. For example, that was the method that we used for activity earlier.
So, from the strategies that you saw a while ago, let's apply it and try some problems. So first, what is 2 times 3? I'll give you 5 seconds. Oh, and before we start, you can pause the video anytime in case you need more. But still, the 5 seconds is up, and the result of 2 times 3 is 6. How did I get this? Well, if you add 2 3 times, you get 6. Or you can use the visualization method and draw 2 apples in 3 circles, which will also give you 6. Okay, next problem. 3 times 4. I'll give you another 5 seconds. All right, the time's up. So what did you get? If you got 12, then that is the correct answer. All right, the third problem. What is 2 times 4? I'll give you 5 seconds. What did you get? If you got 8, then you're definitely correct. All right. The fourth problem is similar to the first problem. Since it is that easy, I'll only give you 3 seconds to figure it out, starting now. Okay, what answer did you get? If it's the same as the first problem, then you're correct. Basically, if both the multiplicand and the multiplier are interchanged, it still gives out the same result. Okay, last problem. 3 times 3. I'll give you 5 seconds. Alright, time's up. And if you got 9, you are surely correct.
I want you to take the test. Can you answer the quiz we gave you? It's just optional though. The link is down in the description.
So for those who slept during the entire lesson, which I recommend you should never do because it can affect your studies. Well, here's the lesson in a nutshell. So I'm gonna be kind today. So to summarize today's lesson, multiplication is the process of adding something multiple times. Like for example, 4 times 4, you add 4 times, which means you get 16. Also, there are many ways to solve multiplication problems. Remember the 4 solutions I showed you earlier? Number 3, the result of the multiplication problem is called the product. And also, the 2 numbers that you see in a multiplication sentence are both the multiplicand and the multiplier. And also, if you exchange them, they still give off the same result. And number 4, finally, contrary to popular belief, multiplication is not really that hard. It may seem scary at first, but all you need to do is to practice and memorize the multiplication table. I mean, if you don't believe me, then you definitely believe Yoda on the right.
Thank you for watching our video. One last reminder, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more and better content. And stay tuned for our next videos. Thank you very much.